Most people get this wrong, and assume you can simply merge two vanilla gift cards into one like transferring money between accounts. Here's the truth no one tells you. Vanilla gift cards cannot be officially combined into a single card balance. There is no direct button or feature that merges them. But in 2026, there are still a few simple workarounds that people use every day to combine the value in a practical way. In this video, you'll learn exactly how to use two vanilla gift cards together, how to pool their value, and how to avoid the common mistakes that cause declines or lost balance. Let's start with the basic rule. Vanilla gift cards are closed-loop prepaid cards. That means each card holds its own separate balance. So if you have one card with $25 and another with $50, they will always stay separate. But here's the important part. You can still use them like a combined balance depending on how you spend. Now here's the first method. You can use both cards sequentially for split payments. For example, imagine John is buying something online that costs $70. He uses the first card for $25. Then he uses the second card for the remaining $45. This only works if the merchant allows split payments, and that is where most people run into problems. But here's the problem. Many websites only accept one card per transaction. So what do you do next? This is where it gets interesting. The second method is using a digital wallet or payment bridge. Some users load each vanilla gift card into a digital wallet or supported prepaid platform. Once both cards are linked, they can sometimes be used more flexibly for combined purchases. This does not merge the cards, but it gives you a shared spending environment. Now let's talk about the most practical method in 2026. The third method is using one card to partially pay, and the second card for another purchase immediately after. For example, you buy part of your order with card 1, then complete another order or remaining balance with card 2. It requires a bit of planning, but it works reliably. Also, always remember to check balances before attempting any split usage. Even a small mismatch in remaining balance can cause a transaction failure. So, here's the simple breakdown. You cannot officially combine vanilla gift cards, but you can use them together through split payments, digital wallet linking, or sequential spending strategies. If you follow these methods, you can effectively use both cards like one combined balance in real life. If this helped you, hit like, comment your situation, and subscribe for more simple money guides that actually work in 2026.